Have you ever thought about what's actually in your laundry detergent? Most of us don't, yet the ingredients can affect not just your clothes, but also your skin and the environment. That's why today we're looking at the best non-toxic laundry detergent options that give you a clean wash without compromise. And while I remember, if you'd like to check out the current prices for any of the detergents I'm about to review, you'll find the links waiting in the description box below. By the way, do you already have a favorite non-toxic detergent you're using right now? Because I'm honestly super interested to hear what's been working for you. Let's begin with Drops Laundry Detergent, a brand that's become widely recognized for its convenient pod-based design. Each pod is pre-measured, so you don't have to worry about spills or overpouring, and they dissolve completely in both hot and cold water. The formula is free from dyes, phthalates, and unnecessary additives, leaving your fabrics clean and fresh without any harsh residues. When you use drops, you'll notice how gentle they are on your clothes while still being tough on dirt, sweat, and odors. The concentrated formula means you only need one small pod to achieve a thorough wash, which also reduces packaging waste and makes storage simple. Clothes come out soft, vibrant, and free from buildup, and you can choose between unscented or lightly scented varieties depending on your preference. Another standout feature of Drops is its eco-friendly packaging. The pods are delivered in recyclable cardboard boxes rather than bulky plastic jugs, making them a sustainable choice. It's messy measuring and bulky plastic containers, giving you a clean, efficient experience every time. One of the first things you'll notice about Blueland is its simplicity. The tablets are highly concentrated, so despite their small size, they deliver a powerful clean that lifts stains and neutralizes odors without harsh chemicals. Clothes come out feeling fresh and soft, with no residue or heavy scent clinging to the fabric. Blueland also shines in its sustainable packaging. The tablets arrive in compostable paper pouches, and you can store them in a reusable tin that looks sleek on a shelf. If you're searching for the best organic laundry detergent that also reduces plastic waste, Blueland is an innovative option that makes your laundry routine feel modern and intentional. Next, let's talk about Molly's Suds liquid laundry detergent, which offers a concentrated liquid formula that's both powerful and gentle. Because it's concentrated, you'll only need a small amount per load, making each bottle last longer and reducing packaging waste. It's safe for both standard and high-efficiency machines, so it fits seamlessly into any household. As you wash with Molly's Suds, you'll see how well it handles everyday dirt and grime while preserving the integrity of your fabrics. Clothes come out fresh and vibrant, with colors staying bright and whites crisp. The formula is crafted with plant-based ingredients and avoids harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and dyes, making it especially suitable for sensitive skin or baby clothes. The sensory experience is one of Molly's Suds' greatest strengths. Clothes emerge from the wash with a natural light freshness and a soft texture that feels comfortable against the skin. In many non-toxic laundry detergent reviews, Molly's Suds is praised for its balance of safety and performance, making it a dependable choice for families. And I'm genuinely curious, do you prefer liquid detergents like this one, or do you lean more toward powders and pods? Because everyone seems to have a strong preference. Shifting now to Biokleen free and clear laundry detergent, you'll find a product that emphasizes both purity and performance. Its clear, fragrance-free liquid formula is hypoallergenic, making it a great option for sensitive skin or anyone who prefers a neutral finish. It's also concentrated, so a little goes a long way. When you use Biokleen, you'll notice how effectively it tackles stains and odors while keeping fabric soft and colors bright. The plant-based surfactants break down dirt and oils without harsh chemicals, leaving you with laundry that feels clean and fresh without any residue. Because it's fragrance-free, you can enjoy a truly neutral result or add your own natural fabric sprays if you wish. Biokleen also stands out for its environmental credentials. The formula is biodegradable and safe for septic systems, and the packaging is sturdy yet straightforward, minimizing waste. For those comparing the best non-toxic laundry detergents, Biokleen offers a fragrance-free option that still delivers excellent cleaning results. Now, let's turn to Dirty Lab's BioLiquid Laundry Detergent, which takes a science-driven approach to natural cleaning. This detergent uses advanced bioenzymes that break down stains at the molecular level, making it highly effective against food, grease, sweat, and more. Despite its power, the formula is lightweight and concentrated, so you only need a small dose per load. As you use Dirty Labs, you'll notice how thoroughly it cleans without leaving behind residue or strong scents. Clothes come out soft, fresh, and free from lingering odors with a subtle, naturally derived fragrance that feels refined rather than overpowering. The hypoallergenic formula is free from dyes, sulfates, and harsh preservatives, making it safe for sensitive skin. Dirty Labs also emphasizes sustainability. The formula is readily biodegradable, and the ultra-concentrated design reduces packaging and shipping weight. If you're looking through natural laundry detergent reviews for something that blends science and eco-conscious values, Dirty Labs is a strong contender. Moving on to Meliora laundry detergent, you'll encounter a product that's refreshingly simple. Packaged in a recyclable container, this powder detergent is made with just a handful of plant-based ingredients. It dissolves easily in both hot and cold water, making it versatile for any cycle. When you scoop out Meliora, you'll see how efficient it is. A small amount is enough to tackle a full load, and it's compatible with both standard and high-efficiency machines. Clothes come out clean, soft, and vibrant, with no residue or artificial scent left behind. Meliora's transparency is one of its strongest benefits. The short, clear ingredient list and recyclable packaging make it a trustworthy choice for anyone who values simplicity and sustainability. For those comparing the best non-toxic laundry detergent, Meliora offers a straightforward, effective option that's easy to trust. Finally, let's explore Puracy laundry detergent, which combines plant-based power with sleek, modern design. The bottle features a pump dispenser, making it easy to measure exactly what you need, just a couple of pumps per load with no spills or waste. As you wash with Puracy, you'll notice how well it performs across a wide range of fabrics. The 10x concentrated formula lifts stains and neutralizes odors while keeping clothes soft and vibrant. It's safe for both standard and high-efficiency machines, so it adapts easily to your laundry setup. The ingredients are plant-based and free from sulfates, phosphates, and synthetic fragrances, making it gentle on sensitive skin. The natural scent is subtle and fresh, and the clean rinse leaves fabrics breathable and residue-free. If you're searching for the best organic laundry detergent that combines convenience with performance, Puracy is a sleek and reliable choice. So that's our look at the best non-toxic laundry detergents. Each one has its own strengths, from the simplicity of Meliora to the science of Dirty Labs and the sleek design of Puracy. No matter which you choose, you're getting a cleaner that's better for your skin, your clothes, and the planet. And in case you're interested, I've placed links to the current prices for each of these detergents in the description box below. And before we wrap up, I'd love to know which of these detergents you're most tempted to try first, because I'm super curious to see which one stands out to you.